P on the number line represents root 2. It's possible to draw root 3, root 5, other numbers also on the same number line. In fact, we say it is the tree of irrational numbers. To this OB, draw a perpendicular with the help of either compass or set squares. From B, 1 unit means the same 5 centimeters radius. Draw the arc and join this. Name this point C. This O center and OC radius. Draw an arc. This gives Q represents root 3 on the number line, etc. Suppose if you want to draw root 5, there is a direct method to draw root 5 on the number line. For root 5, this we can write in the form of under root 2 square plus 1 square, that is 2 square is equal to 4, 1 square is equal to 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Using this, it's possible draw a number line 0, 1, 2, 3. At 2, draw a perpendicular from say this point A, this point B, B center, perpendicular using compass. B center, again 1 unit radius लेके arc draw करो. This is C. Join this OC. ABC is the triangle with center E and AC radius. Draw an arc. This arc intersects the number line at a point, say this point P. P on the number line represents root 5. This is root 5 construction. Please note करो. Next, there is another way, another construction. When you go beyond a little to this, it's possible to construct on the number line, that is a decimal under square root. A is any decimal number. For this, the construction it goes like this. Example, under root 5.6. Suppose if you want to draw under root 5.6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want 5.6. 5.6 approximately it comes here. 5.6 plus 1. This is 5.6 centimeters. This is 6.6 centimeters. Now, say this is A, this is 5.6, B 6.6, C. We have to draw a semicircle with AC as diameter. For that, with center A and radius more than half of AC, draw an arc with same radius with center C. Draw two more arcs. This is how we get the midpoint of AC. By taking this midpoint of AC as O with center O and OA as radius, draw an arc which is intersecting the number line at two different points. Draw another perpendicular to this number line at B, again by drawing an arc from here, equal radius, suitable radius like arc 1, from this point and from this point arc 2, perpendicular construction, and this BC is exactly 1 unit. Name this point as D. A, B, C, D. With B center and BD radius, draw an arc on the number line. With center B and the radius BD, draw an arc intersecting the number line at P. P on the number line represents root 5.6. Answer. A simple procedure to construct root 5.6 on the number line.